Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your girl Decenta who loves things all on sale, and on this channel we talk about all things on a budget, whether it is thrift shopping, DIY projects, just getting a bang for your buck. If that sounds like something you're interested in, come on in, come on in. Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. Alright guys, we're back. Alright, so we're trying on the things that we thrifted for fall. So we're getting ready for fall. If you're not ready, then you're probably late to the game, but you still have some time. So I showed you guys in the last thrift video of what I thrifted, tips and tricks on how to thrift. And now I am going to style some of the looks here, and let's just go ahead and get into the video. And like most of my videos, I'll put, like, if I find like a different type of way that you can style it, you can check that out right beside the video. I feel like I'm blurry, y'all. I've been out all day. Let me check this setting. Okay, I think that's better. All right, so yeah, let's just go ahead. Oh y'all, this is the Burgundy shirt that I showed you guys that I thrifted like a few weeks ago, and this is how it looks on me. I don't know, like, it's new to me. I haven't with my starter sweatpants, but I mean, it's giving masculine, but we gonna see. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Pants. Remember, these are the wide leg pants here. So I'm gonna be styling these, so be right back. All right, so I have shown this before on my channel. I thrifted this a long time ago. It's like a sheer shirt here, and the design is just kind of like, so I have paired it. Okay, yeah, I think you can see it. Okay, I'll just stand like this. Okay, so I just have on clear heels with this look, but I can definitely pair it with some boots, some shoes to cover up my toes, but you know, I decided to put on this so you guys can see like the height of the pants and the bag of the pants here, the wide leg pants here, back looks, and yeah, this would be an outfit. So a simple outfit, and then we have the gray pants here. I thought they were gonna be a little baggy, but that's okay, because guess what, we're gonna make it work, and I'm still going to use them as my vision works. So again, like, you have this vision and you're going to the thrift store with this vision, keep in mind that it may not look exactly like your vision. So I paired it with this black blazer and then my black boots here. Now this would be like a casual, super casual, comfortable, have a little bit of cleavage out, and yeah, this is, I can pull the sleeves up to make it casual. For the boots, I can pair this with heels. Just for video purposes, I kept it simple here, but you can still explore more things in your closet. So I started with the jeans and I pieced my outfit together, so with the blazer and then the boots, so I made it work. Also, you can do a graphic tee with this in the boots, and then maybe a leather jacket, or you could do, guys, there's so much, like, you could do a blazer with a crop top, have a little mid drift showing. Yeah, you could do so much with these pants, and you can style them in so many ways. So keep that in mind. If you get, you know, if your vision is off a little bit, don't get alarmed, because we still can work it out. Okay, let's go ahead to the next one. All right, y'all, so I'm kind of feeling this color on me. Now, once I took off all my clothes, this, believe it or not, it fell dress length, and I paired it with some high knee, like some knee boots here that are strong on the calves. I've been had these boots here, but this is another easy. The only thing you need is just this right here. You have the dress. Now you just have to get a statement shoe that's already in your closet. So I just chose these boots right here, and then get a cute purse that you can pair it with. And then don't forget your accessories. Your accessory brings out the outfit. So I think this turned out really good, y'all. What do you think? I really like this color on me. I can't understand why burgundy, you know, I like burgundy. I've never really been a fan of burgundy, but I kind of like this color on me, y'all. What do you think? This is my color for fall. This is the Vogue shirt that I thrifted like a couple weeks ago, and I just happened to style it with these leather pants that I got from Ross. I just got these maybe like, no, I've probably been had these probably like a couple months now, and I will probably style them with some red pumps or some bright color shoes, maybe even yellow shoes. You guys have seen my yellow shoes. I could style them with this. I put the belt on to separate the leather from the shirt. I could even do a chain belt. Let me show y'all a chain belt. It's a gold chain belt. Yeah, I forgot my chain broke, but I wanted to, for you guys, like, to get the picture of like it with the chain. And kind of have like some cute shoes on and like a gold belt. I mean a gold purse. My gold belt broke, so you're getting the picture of accessorizing, making up your outfit. I hope you're getting the picture. I hope you're getting the picture. But I thought this was a cute shirt, and I can also put like a coat over it, a blazer, if I get too cold. So love this fit. Let's go to the next one. The spotlight is on me. Y'all, look how my window is just bringing on. Let me put my hater blockers on. Look at that light shining, 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 shining. Okay, can y'all see me? Alright guys, so I had a couple more pieces that I did not show you. I tried on those other kind of like dressy large tan pants. I would wear those to church, y'all, with like a cute top. You guys know that I'm trying to like find more church outfits here as we transition to find a new church home here. So I would definitely wear those to church. And then for the army fatigue pants that I showed you, okay, so here's the story with this. So they smelled like smoke. I thought I could get them out. I pulled them from the dryer and they're still smelling like smoke. So I'm not getting a good energy from those jeans. And this is another thing that I don't think I've ever talked about on my channel with thrifting. Like, you have to be mindful of like the people that are wearing the clothes. I know this sounds silly, it really is silly, but I am a firm believer that spirits travel and energy don't lie. And so I was feeling a really bad energy from those pants, not just because they smell like smoke, but I just wasn't feeling the energy when I got home. So basically I'm just gonna donate them back to the Goodwill and have someone else pick them up. I was gonna throw them away, but I'm like, no, I may just donate it back, or I may still throw it away. But I am cautious of, like, if I pick up something and I have like weird energy. I didn't get that when I picked up the jeans, but when I brought them home and I kind of looked at them and then I smelled them, and then yeah, it wasn't given. And also I tried them on too and they didn't fit me the way that I wanted them to fit. So yeah, I think that, you know, if you're not getting, you know, the energy that you need from, you know, clothes that you have thrifted, I think it would be best that you just donate it back. I never cut my losses with thrifting because I feel like even like the clothes that I have in my closet, like I will take them to the thrift store and go into the thrift store and shop, because I feel like, you know, in order to receive you have to give, in order to give you have to receive. So I feel like, you know, I'll cough it up, I'll walk into another thrift store and I'll get what I need, and that would be what I need. And that is because, you know, I am a giver, you know. So yeah, that's a whole nother rabbit story, but I just want to let y'all know, because y'all probably like, oh, you showed us some army fatigue pants but they're not in the video. Well, that is why. They don't have a place here, and I am about to go downstairs and put them away. And then yeah, so yeah y'all, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video on how I style some of the pieces. It is a quick video. I didn't want to keep it too long for you guys, just of like how I am finding things in my closet to pair my fall thrift items with. I'm not finished. I still have a couple more things to get, so I'll be set for fall, and then I'll start on winter soon here. And like I said, like I am thrifting for so many reasons. One, that I love it, and two is that, you know, I am working on my postpartum body here, and I don't want to spend a lot for, you know, just for a body that I don't know how long I'm going to be in. But, you know, as long as I'm in it, I do want to embrace it. So I feel like, you know, with me, let me take these off, because y'all not haters. Y'all not haters. These are my hater blockers, okay? But hold on, let me sit down, y'all. I am in a space where I am embracing my postpartum body, and one of the reasons why I thrift right now for, you know, clothes that fit my body is because, like, whenever I want to get out of the house and I want to do things, you know, with my friends, or, you know, Marcus wants to take me on a date night. If he's watching this, Marcus, if you're watching this, it's my time for you to go ahead and get us a date night going on. But no, like, I want to have clothes available for me to wear. So I want to make sure that I have outfits that I can put together for my body, because honestly, y'all, I kind of get down on, you know, like, if we have somewhere to go and I can't find anything, I get down a little bit. Like, I'm human, I get down. And so me thrifting, finding these fits and showing you guys, also helping me. It's helping me with my confidence. It's helping me to embrace my body. It's helping me to stand firm and confident and just, you know, embrace my mom body. And just, I'm gonna quit saying my mom body. I'm gonna say my body, because honestly, y'all, this is all new for me. Like, you know, being a certain size for so long, and then just being at this size that I'm at, it's just like, some days I'm like okay with it, and some days I'm just like, I have to lose weight. Like, I just have to lose weight. But that is just another TED Talk. But y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for some more. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know which one you like. Let me know which one would you like to, like, you know, wear, or, you know, like, add to it. just let me know what y'all feeling in the comments section below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.